So, we're asking all of our business partners, all of our fans out there, everybody that has been such a beneficiary of this heroic effort by the men and women that drive our trucks and deliver our goods across America. We ask you to join us with Truck Driver Appreciation Week. We ask that you go to our website, southernrecipe.com, to learn more about helping these truckers. And I had the great pleasure of interviewing one of those truckers this morning, Ingrid, and it was so inspirational. Her patriotism, she's a veteran, and to hear her story and to hear other stories that she had about the incredible sacrifices these people are making, the quarantines they're having to make away from their families to continue to keep us fed, is just something that I really would invite everybody to appreciate. And the way we can appreciate it is, wave at a trucker, let them in to traffic rather than honk and wave your fist. A smile, as Ingrid said this morning, a smile goes a long way. So join us in saying thank you to these great men and women at southernrecipe.com and our partner in this effort, the St. Christoper Fund.